It's a beach day, and we are
hot
at the beach. We have our little salvage beach rig with the Packout. We got a bunch of other stuff, and Jake's got
a box.
Packout Princess. She's got something that we're gonna try out, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna make our beach setup even better. We'll be right back. Alright, so here it is, the HIBLE carbon fiber pole. These are spring loaded. They pop up sort of like old tent posts. They got spikes on the bottom. These little padded balls. This stretchy material has these little sacks that you fill up with sand. And then you just drag it out to the sides and then put your poles in. So as you can see, it can handle the wind. And unlike an umbrella, if it does get taken off by the wind, it's not going to break a bunch of wooden framed umbrella parts. So yeah, and now Packout Princess can sit in the shade and not get toasty. And there's a lot of room, as you can see, underneath here. And you can actually take these poles out in the back if you want more of a ramped setup. Otherwise, you can see you can have this standard square tent setup and good to go. So we're going to give this thing a little torture test here in Florida. It has a carrying bag I didn't show you that came in here. Obviously we won't need the box, but you can see simple bag. That's the size that it is when it's all done. You just dump the sand and you're good to go. So yeah, I will add a link as I always do. Like I said, this is HIBLE carbon fiber beach. It's not considered a pop-up tent, but these are spring loaded. So they fold down into about 12-inch sections. And once you have the rubber bands off it, the section, it expands to make that full-size pole. And yeah, there it is. Give you another little walk around, and we're gonna get to beaching. So this thing, we actually found this in the trash. This was a neighbor, free giveaway. It's one of those little pop-up collapsible. He welded up these brackets to put bigger tires on it. So it weighs a ton, but it's pretty easy to pull stuff around, and it folds up to like a cinder block size. Of course, you gotta have the M12 radio and the Packout cooler along with the locking drink bracket. And Packout Princess is ready. The kids are grumpy because they're kids, but we're gonna get to beaching and enjoy the shade from this tent. And what do you think we should do now? Water. So hope you like it. Check the description for a link. You guys saw the flag ones that I did, and this is from the same company, HIBLE. So carbon fiber poles, stretchy little top. It's got shade. Time for the water, as Packout Princess said. Time for the water. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, everyone, and
Packout.
Packout.